Good morning, good morning. It is Sunday morning. Welcome back. Doing up some flamingos for an order. And the P1S, did some orcas up, some little buddy orcas. This P1S is still down, waiting for a hot end. All the extruder, extruder gears. All the gears in here need to be replaced in this one. So haven't done anything there. And this X1 Carbon is down because I am waiting for a hot end as well. All right, flamingos finished up. These guys look amazing. This is all in Bambu Lab pink matte. And then on the P1S, I have some little buddy lions printing. Those should be done tomorrow. I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Monday morning. I just finished up some little buddy manatees. I do have a big order of these, so once I get them all done, I will show you what's going on with that. As for my X1 Carbon, still having tool head issues. I reached out to Bambu, waiting for their response to figure out what I need to do. What's happening is the tool head is getting hot, but it's reading that, I guess a sensor or something is reading that it is not getting hot at all. I went to go do a calibration after replacing some filament. And then the message popped up saying that tool head malfunction pretty much. So got to figure that out. P1S is just doing some racks. And then on this P1S, I have to figure out what's going on with the tool head on this one as well. It's kind of reading the same thing. Temperature's all the way up there, but the temperature shows that it's hitting at 310, but the tool head is not getting hot at all. So it's the opposite of what X1 Carbon's doing. That is going to be it for today. Hopefully I can figure this out this week. If so, you guys will see that. Talk to you later. Guys, it is Wednesday. What are we working on today? Had some more little buddy manatees. This is in the Zyro gray layered rock. It's the gradient matte. As you guys know, one of my go-tos. So this is an order of 100 of these little guys. I have some plain ones there. He wanted some different colors, so I did plain. So I did the plain ones. And then I did the layered rock because he loves this color. And then I'm gonna do probably some Galaxy and maybe a silk or two. I don't know, I'll figure that out when it comes time for that. And then I printed some more up for myself and have to get all this cleaned up. Everything is a mess, as always. Life is busy, so you always make a mess. For the P1S, I don't have anything running on it right now. I'm about to start a print on that. This one, tool head is still down. I'm trying to figure that out. For my X1 Carbon, the tool head is still having that issue. Still waiting for Bambu to reach out to me. But with that being said, I ordered a full assembly hot end. It was supposed to arrive today, but is now delayed until Saturday. So don't know what's going on there. So I'm gonna try to take all these tool heads apart and try to figure out what's going on myself. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. And I'll let you guys know how that process goes. Not only that, I picked up 2 AMSs, really cheap. So I'm going to take them apart and clean them. Hopefully everything is good. The owner said that they work perfectly fine. He just doesn't 3D print anymore. So we're going to find out. Did I lose my money or do I have to put money into these things? Here. All right, I swapped over the tool head from the other X1 Carbon. No warning lights coming on just yet, except for the cover being off. So looks like I'm good. I think I must have reassembled the hot end incorrectly. So I'm gonna try to put that together and install it on the other X1 Carbon. So looks like it was my mistake, nothing to do with the actual printer itself. So I'm gonna run a calibration and we're gonna run a test print. Hopefully everything is good now. Good afternoon, it is Tuesday. Had print failure. The tool head cover came off while I was at work. Got a message that came up. Tool head looks to be fine. Doesn't look like the tool head is bent. Finishing up some flamingos in this beautiful color. This is from Zyro. This is going to be this pink matte from Zyro. Absolutely beautiful. And then my filament order came in. You can't beat Bambu's prices for refillable spools. So I got some grays, except I ordered ash gray. I don't know why I got these grays. And then some dark browns. And then I finally got the tool head in, so I'm gonna throw that in the other X1 Carbon. And I'm still waiting for the tool head for the other P1S. But that's gonna be it for right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Running these flamingos again. This batch messed up on the head. Everything else came out beautiful. Again, these are in that Zyro pink, that gradient. Rerunning the lions. These are the female lions, the lionesses. I have 3 in the front that messed up, but I recently stopped them. Everything else looks to be good. Fingers crossed. And then somebody wanted some rats, so I'm printing up some little buddy rats. Now let me know, do you guys keep your doors closed when you're printing with PLA, or do you leave them open? I used to leave them open, but I think I had some issues with it. So I always keep them closed. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. So for these flamingos, I'm just gonna get them boxed up. For some of my failed prints. And then for all these, I just give them out to little kids at work, no charge. And then I'm gonna take this apart and figure out what's going on with the hot end. See if I installed it incorrectly or what. So like I said before, the hot end is not getting hot, but it's reading that it's getting up there to like 300 to 310 Celsius. So I don't know what's going on, gotta figure that out. But I'll let you guys know. All right, so the flamingo's finished, except I had a power outage. And I don't think these flamingos were meant to be printed, because if you look at the top of the heads, right there, because of the power outage, I had a layer shift. Similar to the other ones I just printed up. This one is way worse, but this wasn't for a power outage. This was because one of them came off the build plate. So those I'm giving away. These may be salvageable. I don't know, they don't look too bad. I'm gonna push it and see what I can do. And then the lioness is finished up. Same thing with these ladies. Right there at the very top of the head, you have a slight layer shift from the power outage. These are more noticeable. So now I have to reprint that up. 2 plates failed because of power outage. And hopefully the rats are okay. I'm not seeing the layer shift in there. Fingers crossed. That's gonna be it for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Thursday. Just finished up some lion little buddies. Looks like I had one failure right here. Everybody else came out amazing. And then on the P1S, had some hammerheads, one failure as well. Not too bad. I think this was mostly because I had the door open on both of these. And then on the other X1 Carbon, I printed up these little rats. I didn't think they'd come out as cute as they did. I also think I made them too small. I may need to scale them up. Let me know you guys' thoughts. This is the lions and the little rats. I do have to reprint the flamingos again. Failures for this batch. This batch isn't too bad, but still failure. And then the failure on the lions at the head area as well, because a couple of them came off the build plate. And then I have these little dots all over it. That may be because the filament needs to be dried. Not 100% sure. Let me know if you guys ever came in contact with that. I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday. Just finished up some little buddy dolphins. These guys came out wonderful. Except I have no idea what is going on with the little dots everywhere. If somebody can let me know. I did have one failure. Mostly because of all the dots everywhere. Again, I have no idea why that's happening. Alright, just finally finished up some of these lions as well. Looks like they all came out pretty good. Finished up some sawfish for that order that I'm doing. Then I finished printing up some raptors. Have two different kinds here. Have some with stripes on them and then some with dots on them. These guys go like hotcakes. All dinosaurs do. What kids don't like dinosaurs, especially grown adults? Men, we're still kids. And these were all my failures this week. But I'll be with you guys tomorrow. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Good afternoon. It is Saturday. Finished printing some ducks. My mother-in-law is going on a cruise and wanted me to print some ducks so she can hide them. She does what she does. The P1S, I'm working on some sawfish. Have 100 of them that I need to make by July, which is no big deal. I'll have them made and just sitting in a box ready to be shipped out. Made some T-Rexes earlier. And then working on a crate for little buddies. I will show you guys what that's about in a later video. Meanwhile, getting all the little buddies put together, stocked up. Speaking of cruises, when I first started 3D printing, I went on a cruise shortly after starting. I did print up a few little buddies. I printed up some dolphins, some manta rays, some octopuses, and some turtles, some sea turtles. I think I did about 15 or 20 of them, and I scattered them throughout the ship, throughout the 7 days that I was on the cruise. And I did catch a few of the passengers that ended up finding them as I was hiding them, and the excitement on their face was absolutely amazing. Let me know if this is something that you guys do. I don't think I'm going to do ducks. I am going on a cruise very shortly. I think I'm going to do the little buddies again. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Not only that, for the people that have been watching me, one of my best videos was me showing these bins that I found on MakerWorld. I am in the process of designing my own bins. They are going to be a little bit bigger. There is going to be a divider in between them. And it's going to be like a Gridfinity based one as well, to where all you have to do is slide this in there. I'm going to make it to where you can do magnets as well if you want to do magnets. But that's going to be in a couple weeks, hopefully by the end of next month. I should have that posted in one of the vlogs for you guys to show you what it looks like. But that is probably going to be it for this week. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, And as always, print on, my friends. Peace.